So bakit nagkakaroon ng bentahan? Kung buffer stocking, samantalang kanina sinasabi ni Kong Erwin na naghahanap ang DSWD. For sure, yung ibang mga agency natin naghahanap din. And yet, nagbebenta tayo ng yun pa lang, Mr. Chair, violation na yun doon sa function and mandate ng NFA na kung yung administrator po yung nagpapayag, ay isa ng violation yon. Ano ba talaga yung iyan talaga yung tunay na data, hindi yung 75K, 79K, hindi 135K, kundi 186K. Yung ibinenta nyo po.
$2.1 million bags ang binenta ng NFA, and of which during my term, around 150,000 bags of that was during my term, no? But before I came in last January, meron ng bentahan rin na iba.
So during your time, yung 150,000 po na bags, so yun po yung accurate na data nyo po?
More or less, yes.
Okay, under
Franz, pwede bang in line with your questioning?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
On the same manner, yung 187 in total admin rod, tama?
Yung
meron po kayong directive na ito po ang pagbebentahan na trader. Is that for all 187? Tama ba ako?
Based on the recommendations from our field offices, yes.
Okay,
then I approve
yung format
the release
of the 187.
Yeah.
Now, can I please get a copy of all, Mr. Santos, to be submitted to this committee, please?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Conference.
Yung binanggit kanina, Mr. Chair, maganda rin makita natin yung history ng bentahan ng NFA sa mga traders natin. Kasi sa mandate kasi dapat ay buffer stocking lang, no? So bakit nagkakaroon ng bentahan? Kung buffer stocking, samantalang kanina sinasabi ni Kong Erwin na naghahanap ang DSWD. For sure, yung ibang mga agency natin naghahanap din. And yet, nagbebenta tayo ng yun pa lang, Mr. Chair, violation na yun doon sa function and mandate ng NFA na kung yung administrator po yung nagpapayag, ay isa ng violation yon. Ngayon, sinasabi mo, Mr. Chair, sinasabi ng ating administrator, Mr. Chair, na itong mga binenta ay nabubulok. Tama po ba? Itong 150 ay kailangan ng ma-dispose dahil ito ay, kasi according po kay Engineer Limuel, may kategorya, no? Poor, fair, and good.
Meron pang very good and excellent.
Very good and excellent. Ano po yung category nung binenta ninyo itong 150?
As a policy, ang kuwan dyan, ang dapat ibenta mo siya as good or fair na condition.
Okay.
So yung
good or fair condition.
Before maging poor siya.
Whether it is fair or good or very good, excellent, kailangan bang dumaan ito sa bidding?
Yung excellent and very good, reserve yun for buffer stock. Yun yung fresh stock natin. Hindi kailangan ng bidding.
Tanong ko po sa inyo, whether good, excellent, or bad, or hindi naman bad, whether excellent, very good, or whatever, or doon na lang doon sa category ninyo na malapit na siyang, o kailangan na siyang i-dispose, or aging stocks, kailangan bang dumaan o hindi sa bidding?
Since RTL the period 2020 to 23, hindi siya kailangan. So with NFA Council approval yun.
So NFA Council approval.
Yeah.
Pero itong 150, ang claim ni Engineer Limuel, hindi ito dumaan sa Council approval. So paano nyo na nagawa?
Wala namang council disapproval nito kasi that's a general guideline of the council na approve na dapat as part of the inventory management, no? So meaning before they become unfit, unsafe for human consumption, dapat ibenta mo as a safe and in good consumable condition. Yun yung
hindi na po
term.
siya dadaan sa bidding.
Hindi na siya dadaan ng bidding.
I'm sorry, not unless you're about to make a point, But na-mention kasi there is no approval, but there is also no disapproval. Na-mention kasi kanina. Tama.
There's a
admin?
general guideline na fina-follow.
Which is what?
So,
Which is what?
sa
Can you
resolution
cite
ng
that?
council that you have to dispose of it, no? So,
should you not
it has
follow,
been,
yung
it has
NFA?
been the practice already since 2020, 21, 22. Since I came in, that's already the general policy, no, and guidelines being followed by NFA.
Okay, so for the record lang, admin, you do not follow 2015 NFA Code of Corporate Governance as a guideline for disposition.
Yeah, we follow, Your
Okay.
Honor.
So it's with the council pa rin, di ba?
Oh, yes, with the council.
So you do not follow that.
We follow that.
Okay, so which is which?
We follow the guidelines of the council in that aspect of disposition, no? So it's being practiced already, no, as part. That's within the letter of the resolution
Okay,
of the
so-
councils.
Sige, anyway, I will go back to that point later. Sorry, Kong Franz.
Chairman,
So-
just a quick lang
Che-
intervention dun sa ano. Sa sagot ni,
Kong Franz.
with the indulgence of Kong Franz.
Sorry, Kong Franz.
Ito,
It's up to you.
quick. But of course, admin, that's a practice, but all practices is not, it does mean that it is all lawful.
Yeah, I would agree. We have to improve the
Yes
guidelines.
or no lang?
Yeah.
Are you with me? That all practices are lawful. Do you
Yes,
agree?
That's the yes,
Yes or no lang?
yes.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Chairman.
Yes, oo. So, kaya mo pala binaybay, no, yung pagbebenta rin ng NFA before your time. Para kumbaga i-justify mo na since this is a practice, okay lang. 'Di ba? So, hindi ganon. Kaya tayo nag-iimbestiga dito para baguhin natin yung practice
Yes,
No?
Your Honor.
that is more favorable sa government at sa ating pinaglilingkuran, yung ating mga mamamayan. So, tignan natin yan. So, ang tanong ko kanina, kung hindi na po ito dadaan ng bidding, ang kiniklaim po ni engineer, dapat dumaan din sa bidding ito. Di ba?
So,
Yung
so
report
during
niya
sa time niya, wala siya yung assistant administrator for operation no 2021, 2022.
hindi dumaan.
So, yun yung hindi ko alam yun, pero ang he should answer that, no, na dumaan ba o hindi, no. Ang pagkakaalam ko, hindi yan dumaan ng bidding.
Yes, pero siguro kung sa time ninyo, tingin ninyo ay dahil nag-bank in lang kayo doon sa practice na nangyayari on how to dispose, 'di ba? Ng mga bigas natin. So sinundan niyo lang. yung
Yeah, sinundan
practice.
That's why hinihikayat natin na maaprubahan ng NFA Council na maitaas ang presyo. Kasi I can only sell it at the approved na maximum price, no, which is 25 pesos, and I attempted in September.
Sir Chair, whether it is for buffer stocking or for sale sa mga trading, 25 pesos po talaga. Ganun ba 'yon?
So,
Nasabi ninyo?
pagpasok ko nung January 2023, pinastop ko yung sale to the traders, no? So, para ma-stop yung leak, no? Kasi masyadong malaki ang leak nung 2021, 2022. So, minana ko yon na konti na lang ang naiwan. Kasi biglang naubos nung late 2022, and even on the month that I entered, nagkaroon ng malaking sale na 186,000, no? So, yung first order of battle na order ni Yusek, Senior Yusek Panganiban, stop ko yung leak. So, immediately I ordered, no, na lahat ng sale to the trader should be stopped, no? And we judiciously follow the letter of the law na talagang parang pang-calamity relief lang to and for other government na functions, no? That's why in our disposal sa 2.1 million 2.1 million bags to 2023, only yung pinaka leftover lang talaga ang binenta natin under my management
Na
na
150.
around 150 lang, no?
150.
150 lang out of the 2.1 million bags.
Okay.
So,
So, ayun, so parang yung sobra lang dito sa 2.1, ano. Pero ang question kasi dito, nag-follow ba tayo ng procedure? Kasi yun ang question dyan eh. So, wala bang pangangailangan yung ating DSWD for
Yes.
at kailangan na natin talaga siyang i-dispose kasi kiniklaim ni Engineer Limuel na dumaan sa laboratory na ito ay pwede pa ito na ma-stock at hindi naman kailangan pang.
So mayroon tayong mga 1 million bags, no, yung naka-reserve sa atin na at that time, no. Meron pa tayong naiiwan na 900, meron pa tayong kulang konti sa OTRA, mga 80,000. No, pero itong stock na to in question is already, ito yung mga leftovers talaga. So for more than 10 months, I did not allow any release to the private sector kasi yun yung effort ko talaga na hindi siya mabenta sa private na traders, no? So yan,
Pero,
ino-offer
ito po,
natin to sa lahat ng agencies.
Ang tanong natin dito, Administrator, Mr. Chair, na naibenta nyo nga itong 150 dito sa mga pinapaboran na mga trader, itong G4 Rice Mill Corporation at saka itong NBK San Pedro. So, ang tanong ko kanina, bakit sila ang binentahan ninyo? Kasi may something wrong, tingin ko, Mr. Chair, dahil kung due for disposal yon, dapat dumaan yan sa bidding. Hindi yung direktang ibinibenta natin doon sa favored ano nyo ba to? Favored trader nyo ba to? Ano bang stake dito?
Recommended na yun, ma'am, sa field office natin.
Recommended na?
Yes,
So ito na yung laging bumibili?
Sila yung mga
Bigyan niyo po, Sir Chair, pwede ako makahingi ng recommendation written by the office kung
yes.
nire-recommend talaga ito.
Yes, Franz,
Chairman.
yes.
Chairman.
Sandali lang. Briefly, Kongkaraps. We have a communication from Assistant Administrator, si John Robert Hermano, that you are shopping for mga prospective na mga traders. Baka gusto nyo kong Franz, can we hear from Mr. Hermano para ano yung criteria niya, ano ang naging sistema para
Sige, Mr.
piliin?
Chair, tanong
Okay
natin
sa inyo kong Franz, ha?
Yes, Mr. Chair, tanong natin si Engineer Hermano. Paano ba nag-come up dito
Yeah.
sa ganito sa trader na ganito na sila imbinentahan natin?